Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce you a website for learning and teaching English for young learners. The name of the website is segment.vn. You should now go in this website, and the first, I already have an account. If you don't have an account, please create an account. You may be logged in by Facebook or Google, and I have already have an account, and I put it, and you click on login, yes. And then you can use many useful in this website. It is introduction, name of segment. You have library of book, you have many tests, you have guide, and you have many methodology or documents. And you can see that it have many classes in it, from class 1 to class 12. And if you are teacher in primary school, you can use from class 1 to class 5. And it have for teacher. And if you don't have an account, please contact to segment to receive a code to log in it. For example, you can go on class 3, yes, and class 3 you can put on, for example, you can do unit 11, this in my families. You click on it, and it have 3 lessons already, you can see on the screen, and it have 8 parts. 8 lessons have 6 parts, you can see, and you click on it. For example, the first. So you can see the picture and the words as well as on the book, and you can listen to how that. Click here.
Who's that man?
Or
He's my father.
yes, or you can click on a sentence
Who's that man?
for students to listen and repeat. Next, that is part 2.6. You can see, and students can see and do task. It's very easy and useful, and you don't have to make PowerPoint or someone else. You can see the picture, and students really like. And the next, that is laptop. Students can see the picture very clearly. And the next part, listen and tick. Students can look at the board, look at the screen, and they listen. Yeah, listen and give answer. And it have already have a part check, so students can know they do the task true or false, for example. Yes.
You can do it.
Next, that is the read and complete. Students can look at it and check the answer very easily. And especially for part lesson, students can look at the screen, look at the word, and sing along very easily. So I hope that this website will be useful for you. Please log in by segment.vn. I hope that myself maybe help you much. Thank you for your listen.